Hello everyone. Everybody's always talking about finding pollinators to plant. Well, you can't see the small ones, but here's the big ones moving around. This is Virginia mint. And if I keep them getting stung, you'll see that it is covered in real honeybees, along with every other kind of bee known to man. Wow, there are so many honeybees over here. Wow. Virginia mint. Full sun, some shade, tons of water, as long as it's well-drained soil. And it will slowly spread to consume everything. But it's not really bad if you like chop it up, chop a path around it, it won't grow past it. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing to watch, the amount of pollinators that this thing will collect. And it will collect like every, the fly, gotta be careful, they're about to fly in my mouth. It will collect pretty much every kind of bee, wasp, large, small. Everybody comes to visit this. It's Virginia mint. I'm in zone 7, northeast of Atlanta. And it is July, 10th, I think. This is just amazing. Here's my little Virginia mint patch from the bottom of it. There are just, I didn't think there was that many honeybees still around here. But this has got to be a hive around here, a good sized hive somewhere. Because there are just hundreds, if not thousands of them over here. If I can zoom in on this little tiny guy. Look at that little tiny guy. He can't be a half inch. Here's a little really weird guy for you. Wow, look at the honeybees. So if you're looking for a pollinator, something that the bees like, Virginia mint. Doesn't take a lot, it will spread pretty rapidly. And it just makes the bees very happy.